I am C.V. Ganesh from the Department of Physics, Bharatidasana Matriculation Higher Secondary School. I am going to present problems related to NEET. Yes. The first problem is about the condenser. The capacity of a condenser. So, before we start the problem, you should know what is the condenser and what are the principles based on which we do the computation. I am going to give the simple rules regarding a capacitor. In a capacitor, we say Q is the charge that is being taken in a capacitor is proportional to CV. So, this is the first and foremost formula you should remember, because the quantity of the charge that is being charged in a condenser is proportional to voltage, and the constant of proportionality is capacitance. So, we have to deal with the capacitance in the problems we are going to see. Then we will calculate U is equal to the energy that is being transferred when the capacitance is charged or discharged is in terms of half of CV square. These two are the main formulae based on which we will solve the problems today. So, in this question, it is given that the capacitance charge is equal to C is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 6 farad. What does it mean? It means that it can store up to 4 into 10 power minus 6, that is 4 microfarads of charges. So, it is being given that voltage is given as 100 volts. Compare the formula on the right hand side for energy U. So, you can substitute U is equal to half into, C is what? 4 into 10 power minus 6. Don't forget to square V, so that is 100 whole to the power 2. So, if you simplify this, you will get 2 cancel, 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 minus 6 into 10 to the power plus 4. So, that gives 0.02 joules or 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 joules. This problem should not take more than 10 to 15 seconds in your NEET exam. So, you write the given, you write the formula, you substitute, you get the answer. Shall we see the next problem? Yes. A variable condenser. What is a variable condenser? A variable condenser is one which has got a variation in the capacitance, and here in this one the capacitance is C1 is 2 microfarads, 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 is 1 microfarad. So, 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 microfarad, and C2 is equal to 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. So, what is the capacitance? Capacitance is one that which shows charges. So, you know very well about that. What is asked in the problem? Voltage is given. Voltage is given as 100 volts. What do we have to calculate? We have to calculate the energy stored in the capacitor. So, what is the formula to show the energy in the capacitor? U is equal to half into C into V square. Now, we want to find the change in the energy. That means what? Delta U will be equal to, change in energy will be equal to half into, there are two capacitances, right? So, one capacitance is of the value 10 and the other is of the value 2. 10 minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 into V square. What is V? V is 100 volt into 100 square. So, I am going to simplify this. So, first I take the value. Next step is 10 minus 2 is 8 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. 100 square is what? 10 to the power 4. So, suppose if you have the problem a power m into a power n, please recall what is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Apply this rule here. So, you have 2 by 8 by 2 is 4, 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 plus 4. So, what do you get? 10 to the power minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. So, you get 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 joules. So, that is equal to 0.02 joules. So this is the change in energy. In the next problem, we are going to see what is the energy spent in changing the parallel plate capacitors 50 microfarad, the distance being halved. See, first understand the concept. The concept is very easy. There is a plate. So you know very well that the capacitance varies with the cross-sectional area of the plate, the medium between them, and the distance between the plates. In this case, what has happened is, this distance initially is d, and this d is being reduced to d by 2. So this is being reduced to d by 2. So what is the change in energy is a question. So after you draw this question, what I am going to find out is what is the actual energy when the distance is half. So first you take U1 is equal to half into, so the capacitance is divided by 2 and the voltage is doubled, 2V the whole square minus the capacitance of half CV square. So this is 1 by 2 CV square minus half CV square. So that is equal to half CV square. That is what is the actual energy flow between when the capacitance is halved and the voltage is doubled to the original half CV square. So you get CV square minus half CV square is equal to half CV square. Now we can substitute C value to be equal to 50 microfarad, 50 into 10 to the power minus 6, and we can get the value of voltage to be 100. So we get the value that is equal to half into 50 into 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 6 into 100 square. So 10 power minus 6 into 10 to the power 4 is 10 power minus 2, and this is 25. So you get 0.25 joules. So you are practicing in one topic called capacitance energy. So we will go to the next problem. So answer is energy is equal to, energy decrease is equal to 0.25 joules. So you look for this answer after confidently working the problem with the formula, and you can share the answer. Now we have the problem of two capacitors. One capacitor C1 is equal to 3 microfarad and the other capacitor is 5 microfarad, and they are subjected to charge from 300 voltage to 500 voltage. In this question also we have to calculate the energy loss. So throughout this class we are having various practice for change in energy, energy loss, and the total energy of a capacitor. That is today's topic. So how will you solve this energy problem? So we have C1 is given as 3 microfarad and C2 is given as 5 microfarad. So they are being connected and we have to find out what is the energy lost. So what will you do? You will connect half of C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. That is they are in series. So they have to get the effective resistance into 500 minus 300 the whole square. V2 minus V1 the whole square. V2 minus V1. So we had V1 is equal to 300 volts and V2 is equal to 500 volts. So now check, you will get half of 3 into 5, 15 divided by 3 plus 5 into 200 whole square into 10 power minus 6 is there. So you will get around point. So this is 15 by 15 into 4 divided by 8 into 2 16 into 10 to the power minus 2. So 60 by 16 is 3.75. So 3.75 into 10 to the power minus 2 joules. This is the method of solving this problem. When two capacitors are given in series, find the effective capacitance, find out the energy, right? We will go to the next problem. In this problem, a body of 4 microfarad is charged to 80 volts. 4 microfarad is charged to 80 volts. And another body of capacitance 6 microfarad is charged to 30 volts. When they are connected, the energy lost by 4 microfarad. So first we have to calculate the energy loss in a capacitance of 4 microfarad. So how will you calculate that? We will calculate half into 4 into 10 power minus 6 into 80 square. Then we have 6 microfarad. So half into 6 into 10 power minus 2 into 30 square. These are the two energies you get. So this is 2, this is 64 into 2 is 1.28, so 1.28 joules, and this is 3 point minus 6.9 joules. So if you subtract one from the another, you will get for 4 microfarad, you will get half into 4 into 10 power minus 6. You should calculate the average voltage. How will you calculate average voltage? 4 into 80 plus 6 into 30 divided by 4 plus 6. So this is the average voltage for 4 microfarad. So that comes to 500 by 10 is equal to 50 volts. So into 50 square. So this is 2. So you will get 2500. So 25 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. So that is equal to 0.5 joules. That is the answer. So you have to calculate the loss in energy for the 4 microfarad. So I calculated the weighted voltage for the system, that is 50 volts, and substituted for that. These are the individual voltages and individual energies. I hope you understood the problems, and if you have any queries, please feel free to give your message through email and I will clarify them. Thank you.